I'm going to talk about a very nice application with you today. It is for learning English. There is a good chance that you've already heard about it. But in case you haven't, this video can be a life-changing video for you. Watch it till the end because there is also a surprise contest for you right in the end. No, not really right in the end, but somewhere in between the video, there is a question that I'm going to ask you. And in case everything goes well, you will be eligible to receive a 5,000 rupee Amazon gift card. Okay, the application that I'm going to talk about with you today is Duolingo. I know you've heard about it. Good. If you have, very good. But still watch it till the end. Why? Because I've worked very hard on preparing this video for you. See, there is a certain science involved in making the things that you want to learn easy by gamifying it. Okay, by constructing a game around it. I am telling you that learning English will become entertaining for me. It will become much easier for me. And that is what this application does for you. I have tried it myself. What a user experience. What a user experience. Go and try the application. I'm going to give you a demo of the application so that you understand, you get a little familiar with how things work here. Okay, hear me out, you're going to find out everything. There is a certain pedagogical approach that this application follows. What is pedagogical approach? Pedagogical approach is the method of teaching, the scientific, most appropriate method of teaching, the art of teaching. Now let me tell you why am I calling it a pedagogically appropriate application for you to learn English from. See, first thing, it repeats the stuff. If it is going to teach you a new word, it is going to keep bringing the word back to you. Every few minutes or every few days, that word is going to reappear on your phone screen, and that is how you get familiar with the word, you understand the usage of the word, and you become a friend with the word. And when I say word, I mean thousands of words are going to learn on the application. Okay, then there is going to be a slow introduction. All right, not too many new things coming your way on the very first day. No, it's going to be appropriately designed in a manner that few things will happen every now and then. It will take you slow, very slow, so that you can easily absorb what's happening on the process. It's not going to hit you like a huge wrecking ball. The problem with our country, I think, is that people think that Duolingo is appropriate for learning Spanish, French, and all these fancy languages, but to be honest with you and to be frank, I believe that it's pretty good for learning English as well. I did try it for Spanish a few months or maybe a couple of years ago, but for now I am trying to redo some exercises of English on this application, and I think I really like it. When it teaches you, simultaneously it tests you also. Okay, so it is going to teach you and give you a test. Again, teach you, give you a test. Teach you, give you a test. That is how it's going to happen. Okay, I'm going to give you a very good demonstration of what I'm talking about. Okay, just wait for a few more minutes and you'll be thorough with the app. It is absolutely free. At the same time, there are no ads at all distracting you while you are taking your lesson. And the onboarding process is also quite nice. I'll take you to the Play Store and I will type Duolingo and hit install and open. Hi, get started. I'll just simply take English right at the top. आप भाषा किस चीज़ के लिए सीख रहे हैं? नौकरी के अवसर. Then they are asking you to choose a target. I think I'll go for serious. दिन में 15 मिनट. Look at the owl, so cute. क्या आप पहली बार अंग्रेजी सीख रहे हैं? पहले से ही थोड़ी अंग्रेजी जानते हैं? I'll take the first option. पहली बार अंग्रेजी सीख रहे हैं. So now I have to make a profile. I have to feed in my age, name, email क्या है, my password. I really love that green owl that is there. It's so adorable. And with your exercise, the owl is going to come in on the screen and congratulate you, show you a thumbs up. So those cute little animations, they really make the entire experience quite beautiful. I'm going to attach the link of the Play Store in the description box. Go and download the app from that link. Okay, now we come to the best part. We're going to talk about the contest. It's very simple. There's going to be one question that is going to be placed somewhere here. Okay, you have to answer to that question in the comments below. Then you have to download the application, and then finally you will have to share this video with somebody. Let me read out your contest question. घर पे रहो India dash At home India. Now you have to tell me which of these three is the correct answer to the question. Stayed at home India, stay at home India, or stays at home India. You have to choose the correct option and send it on the comments. That is all you have to do. And once you are done with all that, you are eligible for this contest of receiving a 5,000 rupee Amazon gift card. You see, everything over here shows in Hindi. Why? Because I have chosen Hindi to be my base and I'm going to learn English from here. So I'm going to click Shuru Kare. It's asking me for the translation of the word Delhi. I can even listen to it on the speaker that is made right next to the word.
Delhi.
Yeah, nice. There are these options at the screen. I'm going to click Delhi. Check करें. ये अति उत्तम. आगे बढ़ें.
India.
भारत.
I am from Delhi.
Now see, it's gradually taking you into lengthier sentences.
You are from Delhi.
You are from Delhi. तुम दिल्ली से हो. सही है, बढ़िया. सही अनुवाद चुने. तुम एक लड़के हो. You are a boy is supposed to be the right answer. I'm gonna click you are a girl. Let's see what happens. हिंदी अंग्रेजी शब्दों के जोड़े चुने. जोड़े. ओके. बॉय लड़का. गर्ल लड़की. स्टूडेंट छात्र.
Student.
ये. तुम you.
You.
से from.
From.
You are from India.
तुम भारत से हो. तुम एक लड़के हो. मैं लड़का नहीं हूँ. You are a boy. अद्भुत. Incredible. आप रोज के लक्ष्य से सिर्फ 7 अंक दूर हैं. कोई बात नहीं. And by the way, I want to make this thing clear to you. My level is quite basic because in the beginning I selected a choice which said that I don't know anything about this language. And that is why it's teaching me from the very basic things. Okay? Oh, such cute animations. Cute, cute. औरत का अनुवाद चुने. तो औरत would be woman.
Woman.
Check. ये. आदमी का अनुवाद चुने. Man.
Man.
I'm killing it. Oh my God. आप एक स्तर पर पहुंच गए हैं. स्तर. लेवल. अच्छा, लेवल 1. आपने 2 मनी कमाए. Sorry. You know that money and snake connection, right? This is my progress. Here is the question that you have to answer. Okay? I hope you like it. This is my first giveaway. I'm so excited about it. Did you like the video? If you did, please give it a like. I'll really appreciate it. You can please subscribe to the channel also. Let's stick along on the journey. I'll see you again very soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.